Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix not receiving text messages on your iPhone. Alright, let's begin. First, turn on airplane mode for a few seconds, then turn it off. This refreshes your cellular and Wi-Fi connections and may restore text messaging. Next, force restart your iPhone. Quickly press and release volume up, press and release volume down, then hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. This reloads the system without deleting any of your data. If the issue continues, go to Settings, Messages, and make sure iMessage is enabled. Then tap Send and Receive and confirm that your phone number and Apple ID are selected correctly. Also, enable MMS messaging and group messaging, and make sure Filter Unknown Senders is turned off. After that, check for a carrier settings update by going to Settings, General, About. If an update is available, install it. Also, make sure mobile data is enabled and turn on Wi-Fi calling if your carrier supports it. If your iPhone uses a physical SIM card, remove it, reinsert it, and try again. You can also reset your network settings by going to Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone, Reset network settings. Finally, install any available iOS updates. If you're still not receiving text messages, contact your mobile carrier to verify that your account and messaging service are working properly. So that's basically how you can fix not receiving text messages on your iPhone. That's it for this video. Thanks.